What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm going to show you how to turn any video you like into a wallpaper, live wallpaper for your lock screen or your home screen. Check this out. It's really cool. Let me show you. And then you just press on it. Look at this. Hold on. Isn't that cool? A friend of mine sent me this video out of LA, and it's a wallpaper, but it's live if you just tap on it. Isn't that cool? But guys, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to do this. It's really simple. You just need one app and it's free. And it takes you under a minute to do the same thing. And like I said, you can use any video you like. I think it's cool. Stay tuned. Guys, before I get into it, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Drop a comment below if you enjoyed this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell notification so you can get updated on my latest content as it drops. Guys, as you see, I don't have the home screen now, live wallpaper, but I'm about to show you exactly how to do it step by step. It's really easy. So the first thing we got to do, we got to download the app. We got to go to the App Store. So let's do that. So I'm going to go to the App Store. Now, the app that you're going to have to download is called Video to Live. So let me just type that in. Video to Live. I'm going to show you how it looks. I already have the app, but it's going to look just like that. You see it? Video to Live Wallpaper Maker. This is what you're going to use, and you're just going to hit download. So we're going to go to the next step. So make sure you get that, and we're going to go to the next step. All right, so this is real simple to do. So here's the app right here. We're going to go ahead and open the app. And it's going to take you here, but you can just hit skip. You don't have to pay for anything. You don't have to subscribe. Just hit skip. It's going to take you to this screen here. The only thing you need is Video to Live. Click on that. Okay, we're just going to select a video. I'm just going to only have one video on this phone, and that's what you just saw. So we're just going to select the video. Here's the video right here. I turned the sound down because you don't need the sound. Here's the video right here. Now I'm going to trim it. You can just trim it to wherever you like, wherever you want it to start. You can trim it down here. So I'm just going to trim it real quick. I only need maybe 8 seconds of it just for this tutorial. So you trim it, then you hit the check mark. Hit the check mark. And now, let's see if you can see it. Uh-oh. You're just gonna hit save. It says save down here. Just hit save. Here it is, hit save. Sometimes it'll take a while, just depend on the video. Now it says save as. You're gonna save as live photo. So click on that. It's gonna do its job. And once that's over, you can just exit out the app. The next step we're gonna do is we're gonna go to settings, and we're gonna go down to wallpaper. All right. We're going to go down to wallpaper. We're just going to click here. And you're going to go down here to where it says live photo. It's going to be right there for you because we already generated. So click on live photo and go ahead and click on it. And now you can set it. You can either set it to your lock screen and your home screen. You can set it to both, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to set it to my lock screen. It's going to do its thing, and you're all done. Real simple, guys. So watch this. You just click on it, and you got live wallpaper on your home screen. On your lock screen. Anytime you open it up, you're going to have the picture. It allows you to set a picture on the app as well. You can set a picture and then hit save. But there you go. Set it to wherever you like. And there you go. Just click on it and there's the video playing. Guys, that was an easy tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I got tongue twisted. If you enjoyed the tutorial, please smash a like. please smash that like button. Also subscribe and also hit the bell notification so you can get update on my latest content as it drops. All that'll be greatly appreciated. Drop a comment below. Let me know how you like the video. All right, guys, until next video, peace.